lovely students. Today we are going to talk about the sense of sight. As you know, we have 5 senses. Each sense has its own job. For example, our smell sense tells us about the smells around us to warn us of danger. And also, our taste sense tells us about the type of food that we eat, and it helps us to know if the food is sour, sweet, or whatever. But today, our sense is the most important sense for me because actually I can't live in dark. So, I need my eyes to see everything around me and to discover and learn many new things in the world. Actually, I also use my eyes to keep away from dangers. So my sight sense is very, very important for me. Okay, now what about animals? You know that also animals need this sight sense. But some animals have eyes at the side of the head, and many others have eyes at the front of the head. So, if you look at the picture, you will find that horses and birds have eyes at the side of their heads. This helps them see if there is any danger around them. But here, in these pictures, you notice that the eyes at the front of the head, such as humans, gorilla, monkeys, and this helps us as humans and helps other animals see things in front of us in a lot of detail. Now, let's understand how we see things. If you focus in this picture, you will find that the light from the source of light, which is the sun here, hits the object. Then it reflects to our eyes. So the light from the source hits the object, then the light reflects to our eyes. After that, light from the object we are looking at, which is the flower here, hits the lining of the back of our eyes. And on the back of our eyes, we have special cells. Here, in the back of our eyes, we have special cells. Those cells send a message to our brain to work out and to know what we are looking at. So, again, in this picture, you will find that the light from the source of light, which is the sun here, hits the object, which is the flower also here. The light reflects to our eyes. After that, the light from the object we are looking at, which is the flower here, hits the lining of the back of our eyes. And on the back of our eyes, we have special cells. Those cells send a message to brain to work out and to know what we are looking at. But actually, some animals have very good sight sense, and it's much better than human sight, such as hawks and eagles. So they need this sense to find their food to eat. So sight sense is very important for humans and animals. So if you look at this picture, you will find that we have hawk and eagle. Hawks and eagles, they have very good sight sense, and it's much better than humans' sight. Okay, now let's answer the questions, page 109. Let's start with the first question. Question number 1. What do our eyes need to see properly? What do you think? What do we need to see properly? Actually, our eyes need light to see properly because without light we can't see. Imagine that you are in dark room, inside dark room, so you can't see anything. So we need light to see. Okay, question number 2. Which has the better eyesight? Circle the correct answer. Hawk, human. What do you think? Which has the better eyesight? Hawk or human? Actually, the correct answer is hawk, because as we said, hawk and eagle has much better sight sense than human. Okay, the last question number 3. Which is better? Having 2 eyes or 1? Circle the correct answer. Sure, using 2 eyes or having 2 eyes is much better than 1 eye.